Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how the India get freedom. When the ancient time, the British were roaming here and there for their trading centers. The UNESCO was training them. He said that go in India, there is the best opportunity. They go in India and they launched it into Surat. And they had opened their trading center in Surat. Then they go to Mumbai, Chennai and Pondicherry. They also open there. Then they see that in Rajasthan the French they were trading there. Then they go in Goa, but there was the other country, Dutch. So they roam here and there, and there was a Mughal Empire there in Agra. He had also captured lot of place to trade him and whole control the country. The British go to the Mughal Empire and said that please Empire, could you give us opportunity to trade here? The Mughal Empire said no. Then he had destroyed all their trading centers. And then they go and said to the king that they had said we cannot open any trading center. So the British army, they were making telescope, microscope, and then they go with their things and said that this is our things that I had made by my own hand, that we can see anything by the telescope that they had made. They said yes, but you have only limited place to trade. They trade again in Surat, Mumbai, Pondicherry and Chennai. Then they published their big trading center in Surat. There in Rajasthan, French was there, but they were no fair. That the British go and said to Rajasthan Empire that we can trade here. He said yes, you can. And they have a sign that here is our place, that any could not be here. So the French and British war became, and British was very big and strong that the French lose, and they have to go in the other state or country. Then the British published their Rajasthan's building, and that name was East India Training Center. They sent the European countries spices, cotton and wheat, and then they have many monies from their European. Then Maratha became the strong and big villain in this story. Maratha said that we have the law, that we have freedom, wisdom and opportunity to hold our country. They go and fight with British, and British lose. They said to their king and queen. His queen name is Elizabeth. And the Elizabeth said, don't worry, we have also strong soldiers. They sent them into the India. They have also war, but also British lose. And then Maratha became breaking their relationship, and they were fighting. They were very partition fight, and the Shivaji said that why are we fighting? We will become loose and weak. Then the Maratha said we have to make the strength. But they were fighting, that's why the opportunity of British being strong, and they said we have to fight. They become Maratha war second, and they fight and Maratha lose. By their strength they had broken their strength. In this story, strength, hard work and freedom is important. That's why when the Baba Sahib Ambedkar made the constitution, because they want our India free from this British. And thank you for listening me. Like, subscribe and share. I will send you next part.